How does Amazon FBA work? The Fulfilled by Amazon, FBA, opportunity has been around for some time now, and there are some sellers that have made a lot of money with this. If you are interested in becoming an FBA seller, then you need to understand how it all works. We will explain the major features of Amazon FBA in this video. Amazon look after the order process. One of the most appealing things about the Amazon FBA program is that they will look after the order process. Once you have added your products, Amazon will package and ship all of the orders you receive. All you need to do is to focus on selling your products. All revenue from product sales is collected by Amazon. If there are any customer service issues related to your products, then Amazon employees will take care of them. Amazon pride themselves on their customer care, so you know you will be in good hands. Send your products to the Amazon warehouse. When you are ready to sell your products on Amazon, you will be instructed to send them to a specific warehouse. Amazon has a number of these warehouses around the world. They will store your products for you and dispatch them from their fulfillment center when they receive orders. Every time that you sell a product through Amazon, they will update your inventory. You can log into your Seller Central account to see what your current stock levels are. Inventory management is very important with Amazon FBA. Amazon provides the customer care. If you had your own online store, then you would need to deal with all of the customer service issues that could arise. This includes the return of goods, refund requests, inquiries, complaints, and more. Amazon is an expert in all of these customer care issues. They have a very efficient returns process, and they know how to deal with refund requests and other problems. This means that you will not have to deal with these headaches yourself. You will receive your profits from Amazon. When you sell on Amazon, they will charge you a fee which covers storage and order processing. Every 2 weeks Amazon will send you the difference of the sales revenue generated less their costs. You will not have to send Amazon any money for the FBA service. They will deduct their costs automatically from your sales revenue. The fees that Amazon charge for their FBA service are certainly reasonable. There is a lot of scope for you to make a profit from the products that you sell. It is cheaper for you to store your inventory with Amazon and use their platform to sell it than it is for you to arrange your own storage. Amazon support. Amazon have a support team for their FBA sellers that will respond quickly and professionally to any questions that you have. It is in their interest to help you to sell more of your products. When you are successful, they are successful. You need to comply with the comprehensive terms and conditions imposed by Amazon as an FBA seller. If you are in doubt about anything, then contact the support team and they will provide you with the answers that you need. Are you ready to start a successful online business selling on Amazon? If so, click the link below. Or share with someone you know. They will thank you.